Good morning. We're going to make a strawberry banana smoothie. I had a request for more smoothies, so we're going to make one and we're going to get started. I'm going to read you the ingredients and everything will be down in the description below. It's going to be 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 fresh banana peeled right there, 1 cup of milk, or you can use almond milk, but all I had was regular milk, 1 cup of ice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. That's it. How easy peasy can that get? In the directions, add all the ingredients to the blender and then pulse until combined. Serve immediately. If the smoothie is too thick, you can just add a little milk. I like a thick smoothie. So let's get started. Okay, we are first going to put in the frozen strawberries, and that is 2 cups. 2 cups of frozen strawberries, and I think I'll just take this cover off. Might be easier for me. I feel like I'm there. These are frozen. These are Maine strawberries from Wayne's Farm, not too far from here. And you want 1 banana, which is right here. I'm gonna put that in. And you gotta make sure you peel that banana too. You don't want that peel in there. And 1 cup of milk, or you can use almond milk. 1 cup of milk, just like that. 1 cup of ice cubes, just like that. And 1 tablespoon of honey. If you want to sweeten it. You don't have to, but I like things sweet. Sweet and yummy. So we're just going to put the honey in just like this. Oh yeah. I can see this is going to be yummy. And this is going to be part of my breakfast this morning with a piece of toast. Or maybe just this. Or maybe if I'm kind, I'll leave some for Ray. Okay, then we're going to put it, everything's in the blender. Let's put the cover on here. Just like this. And it says, pulse it. Okay, it says pulse. I don't have pulse on mine. I've got smoothie, milkshake, and an icy drink. So this is a smoothie, so we're gonna put it on the smoothie. Okay. I've got this right here, I'll show you, which is good. A little spout you can just pour. And we're going to go with this. It'd be better if we plugged it in. I didn't plug it in because I didn't know if my fingers would get off. Got a pretty color. Sounds like it's done. Let me see. We're gonna pour it in. Here it comes. Sometimes I get impatient for pouring. I just want to pour it off the side. We'll just pour it like this. We'll just pour it like this. Oh, it smells good. Must be the bananas and strawberries together. I don't know, we have honey in there too. There it comes, just like this. As it gets up to me, I can really smell it. And folks, that's all you do. And I'm going to stop it right there because I don't want to overfill. But I had to sit this morning. So this is all you have to do. And look at that. This is a strawberry banana smoothie. Let me taste. Ooh, those bananas and strawberries taste really, really good. I don't know if I can drink all this. Might have to put it in the freezer. The way I'm drinking it, I don't think there's going to be any left for Mr. R. I'm going to give me a thumbs up for that. So you can find everything in the description box below. Before I end here, most people ask me, where do I get my jewelry when I wear it? See these cute little earrings and see this ring? I get it from Paparazzi. And the information is right here. And she has, on Friday night, she sells. Her jewelry is only $5. These earrings were $5. This ring was $5. Sometimes she has a necklace and ring for $5. Everything is $5. So she's on Friday nights and she does sales on Wednesday, flash sales. And then on Thursday morning, she has something else. I'm not quite sure what it is. But you can become friends with her on Facebook, or you can just get a hold of her. She's an independent consultant, and again, I'll put the card up. It's Paparazzi, and I absolutely love it. So anyways, folks, please give me thumbs up, and you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and and maybe at Grammie's page on Facebook. Sorry, stumbling this morning. As you well know, some of you know that I have had an injury to my brain, so sometimes I can't always think the words, but I do the best I can. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and all my followers, I thank you. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Mr. R will have his site up tomorrow, his YouTube channel. It's not going to be a whole lot to start with, but he'll be building it as he goes. It's building now. So I will give you the channel link in tomorrow's video. So go on over and see Mr. R. Sub him if you can. Make him feel good. Okay? So we'll see you, and God bless.